today for the Bitcoin price. And yes, you might ask yourself, what the heck is happening to Bitcoin right now? Well, I want to show you exactly what is happening to Bitcoin right now. Here I am back in my spaceship, of course, and I wanted to talk about what is happening for Bitcoin right now on the hourly, 4-hourly, daily and weekly, and especially what is going to happen here right now in the immediate short term after the Bitcoin price broke out of this hourly symmetrical triangle and up to the dollar hit my price target. If you are saying right now, Chris, you are crazy. Well, I was posting a few hours ago, Bitcoin break within the next 15 hours. And if you are going over to my next tweet, I was tweeting 3 hours ago, the bearish target is 62,000. As you can see, after this confirmed breakout, the Bitcoin price went down exactly to 62,000 US dollars. And the most important question right now is, after hitting this bearish price prediction, what is the next price target for Bitcoin? Is this dump already over? And what am I doing with my trade? My trade I am having over on Phoenix, 7.4 million US dollars in this specific trade. Right now still raking up 1.4 million US dollars in a profit. This, if the price is going lower, will be wiped out very, very soon. So the question is, what is my game plan? I'm gonna be talking about that. Guys, sit down, watch this video until the very end and smash up the like button as you have never smashed it up before. If I am going over here, guys, just wanted to show you the video yesterday was absolutely insane. Not only that we got here almost 100,000 views. No, guys. The real deal is this. You smashed up the like button to almost 14,000 likes. Thank you so much for that. You were sharing the video across the board, across the internet. This is what makes the Crypto family bigger. Thank you so much for that. Thank you so much for smashing the subscription button, and thank you so much for joining the Crypto family. Now I want to go straight here into the content because, as you can see, Bitcoin was just in free fall mode, and the question is, are we going lower or is this already the end of the breakdown? What you can see here is after the breakdown, we had a confirmed breakdown. We hit my price target almost up to the dollar. I was off by like $5 or so at 62,000 US dollars. What is going to happen right now? Well, let's always zoom out when we don't have an answer for that. And if we are zooming out to the 4-hourly, you can see Bitcoin is right now retesting on this 4-hourly candle the previous resistance, which is now turning into support. Not only this one, but also if I am pulling over this one, you can see that there is some other support coming in. I can even pull it a little bit higher. And what you can see here is that the price, that the support would be coming in at 62,000 US dollars. However, the higher the time frame, the more significant actually the resistance and support gets. So let's go over to the daily candles for Bitcoin. And if we are going over here to the daily candles for Bitcoin, you can see that the support here is actually coming in at 60,000 to 60,500 US dollars at the previous resistance. I am not saying that we are necessarily going to come down lower. We already hit my price target. I'm just telling you my possible worst case scenarios within the bullish narrative. Because remember what I was talking about earlier, this previous resistance right here, which was severe resistance, and also on the VPVR, if I'm pulling out the VPVR, the most important traffic area, you can see it right here. It was resistance for a couple of days. After breaking it, we should right now expect this to become, previous resistance to become new support. So I am expecting, in case if we are dumping lower, but we already hit my price target here, I will talk about bullish price targets of course as well, that the worst case scenario in this bullish narrative should be among the 60,000 US dollar levels. This is what I'm looking out for right now. Keeping all of this in mind, now let's focus on the bullish price targets. Now let's focus on where I think the Bitcoin price is gonna go here right now in the immediate short term. And before I'm doing that, I wanted to remind you guys, people are texting me left and right, Chris, your trades are crazy. How are you doing that? Well, if you're subscribed to the Crypto family, I am always updating you here over on YouTube, over on Twitter, over on Instagram. Instagram, Chris Crypto with the blue verification check mark. I'm going to continuously update you there for sure. And if you want to join us as an Crypto trading community, well, you might as well just do so by pressing subscribe and pressing the bell down below. But most importantly, these are my exchanges. This is the exchanges where I'm trading on before I'm going into the price targets. In the pinned comment down below, you will find a 5,810 US dollar free bonus on Bybit alone. You get $3,500. What you can do is 2 steps 12 seconds. You go to the pinned comment, you click one of these links. Bybit is my favorite exchange. Of course, you get a bonus, I get a bonus. It's your free choice what to choose. If you make an own account with this link, after your initial deposit, you get these bonuses credited, and you can trade with this free bonus as well, and you can withdraw the profits from that as well. So now let's talk about the bullish scenario here, because as you remember, I was talking about earlier, this yellow line, this orange line here being the 21-week moving average is a very important distinction between bull market and bear market. Every single time we are hitting it, we are going to a massive run towards the upside. We hit it again, and we are going to the run towards the upside. People were still laughing at me here when the price was lower at, let me tell you, at approximately $40,000. Well, now the Crypto family is laughing, and now we are looking out for actually very different price targets. So even if we are going down for a confirmation, my price target is $74,000, but I have even one more, much more significant price target in mind. And if I am pulling this one here down, going in and zooming out a little bit, zooming in a little bit, let me stretch this on the weekly candles, then you can see that eventually $74,000 is one price target. But keep in mind, if we are breaking this very important 11-year resistance level, then we are eventually looking out for $86,000 US. Why? Well, usually we are hitting the 1.618 rather sooner than later once we are breaking key resistance areas. And I can show you that. Let me pull this from the bottom to the top. And you can see how, and you can see it here on the weekly, but you can even better see it on the daily candles. If I'm zooming in on the daily candles and auto scaling it, look at this. I am pulling this here also from the bottom to the top, from the bottom here to the top, and pretty quickly here, you can see if I'm zooming in, we hit this price target almost up to the exact dollar. And this happens time and time again. As in retracements, the golden pocket is the most important. In pumps, the golden ratio, the Fibonacci golden ratio is the most important. This is what I'm looking out for. But keep in mind that on the monthly, on the weekly, we have 11-year resistance coming in at $72,000 US. So definitely I am going to take profits here on the way towards the upside on my trade, which I showed you initially here, which is right now $1.4 million US in a profit. Take always significant risk measurements, and as we are going higher, take profits in Bitcoin. As when Bitcoin is high, going higher, you're not going to regret it because you are still generating profits. Thank you so much for watching, guys. Thank you so much for smashing up the like button to a new all-time high, and thank you so much for always watching at my beautiful CryptoPunks, which I'm having here on the back of my head. Thank you so much, guys. You are the best crypto family in the world, and we are going to see each other very soon at the next one of MM Crypto. And as always, guys, as always, bye-bye.